We have trucks and more trucks and even more trucks at this Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram dealership. And these trucks are not cheap. $88,000. We'll find out how many trucks this Dodge Jeep and Ram dealership has on the next edition of the AZ Online Car Show. Welcome back to the Arizona Online Car Show, where today we are at Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. We're going to look at some cars, trucks, minivans, and SUVs. Why not we buckle up and enjoy the feature presentation? In the intro, we showed you that this front line of this dealership has a lot of Ram trucks that they need to get rid of. When walking around this lot, we found even more inventory that they have. Just in this one row alone, you have more than 20 Gladiator trucks and more than probably, I say about 50 Ram trucks out here on this lot. The amount of Ram trucks is all through this row back here, all through the road that's right next to me, all throughout this back row over here, which we'll walk to in just a minute. And even more trucks as you wrap around the corner. We found this truck. It's a Ram 2500. I was looking for a different 2500, but we'll show you guys this one. It's a Ram 2500. I believe this is a Laramie midnight package. Actually, this is the limited, which is higher than the Laramie. It is a Night Crew 4x4 with the Cummins M96, but man, $100,420. You get your add-ons, $101,267, and it is a Ram 2500. When the Charger came out as an electric performance sedan and performance car for 2024, Dodge thought that these things would be flying off the lot. Well, 3 years into this current body style, these things are having a tough time selling. In fact, the electric version of these cars were axed, but the two-door and four-door Chargers have not been selling at the rate that Dodge would anticipate these things would be selling. We're going to take a look at a few of them. Let's check out this one. I believe this is a 6-pack. It is the Scat Pack Plus. It's got your inline 6, got your sport leather, but the price, $69,495. Got your add-ons to be nearly $70,000 for this Charger. That is a lot of money for a 4-door Charger. Let's take a look at another one. This blue one is interesting. I like the color on here. It doesn't have a price. Yeah, it does. It's kind of fell off in the window there. Charger RT black top. Price is, I don't know if you can see it there, $57,475. Got your add-on, $58,322. And it is a Charger RT black top with the 6-pack inline 6. This is one of our favorites. This is the Dodge Durango Hemi. This is the GT version. Not quite the performance versions of the RT or SRT, but it still has V8 power. Got 20-inch wheels. It's got your sunroof. The color is B5 blue, which is very similar to your Mopar blue. The interior is ebony black with red stripes along here. Your Uconnect 5, your shifter. This is new from the last time we've been in a Durango. Room for 7. Room for 7 in here. Your third row is back there. Nice looking, aggressive looking SUV. It is all-wheel drive. Your GT badge right on the lower right of the liftgate. All this can be had for, let's see, the price on this unit is $52,757. And it is a Durango GT with the V8. We have a few 2027 Chrysler Pacifica vans on the lot, but we're going to take a look at this red one. It's a 2027 Chrysler Pacifica S limited appearance package. It's got your 20-inch wheels that is synonymous on the S performance package. Got your panoramic sunroof for your first and second rows. We're gonna check out the inside. It's got your ebony black Napa leather interior with the pinstripes attached to it. It's got your S label on the front seats. Interior is nice and roomy. You got your stow and go. Second row chairs fold into this floor right here. The third row folds back into the back section, which we'll show you in just a moment. 10-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment screen. Same setup as before. Wireless charger. It's got 9 miles on here. Leather wrapped steering wheel. To the back, it's got your S label on the liftgate there. Your power liftgate. Your stow and go. This seat right here folds into the flat of this floor right here. Your power liftgate goes right there. All this can be had for $52,675 is the MSRP. But man, add-ons $53,522, and it is a Chrysler Pacifica. We got a couple more trucks for you guys to check out. We're gonna check out this one right here. It's a 26 Ram 1500 Tungsten, which is your top of the line truck for the Ram 1500 family. The exterior color is forest blue metallic. The powertrain on this is a 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo with 540 horsepower, 521 foot-pounds of torque. It is connected to a 8-speed automatic. These 22-inch wheels are exclusive to the tungsten trim. Has the tungsten trim all along each of the doors and each side of the vehicle. Your 22-inch wheels, once again, from the rear. Got your RAM box for more storage. Your power side steps. The interior color on this is ebony black with your brown pinstripes. I've always liked the interior of the Rams. Got your big sunroof right in the center there. The interior is absolutely nice on these things. Tungsten right on the center console. Your Uconnect 5. Steering wheel is absolutely gorgeous. You got your speakers right here. Got some more storage right over here. The interior is by far the best on a 1500 truck in the market. Got some more speakers up there. Come to the rear.
Absolutely.
The price on this vehicle, though, you're gonna pay every penny for this vehicle. $93,925. Got some add-ons. $94,772. You do get up to $12,000 off of MSRP on these vehicles for the 4th of July sale. We got one more for you guys. We got everybody's favorite truck, the Dodge Ram 1500 RHO. Look at all the aggressive off-road stance. It has the same inline six as this truck, except it is more of a off-road version of it. Instead of the 22-inch wheels on the tungsten, it's got the 18-inch off-road tires on the RHO. Your heavy-duty off-road suspension. It's got all of your shocks, your Bilstein shocks, all your hardware back here. It's got a little bit shorter bed. You lose the Ram box though. Your twin turbo inline six. Your interior has your RHO badging on each of the seats and on the console. Still get your Uconnect 5. You actually get a shifter over here. That's something different. And you get your locking rear diff. Get your big old sunroof. Going over to the back. Still looks aggressive back here. Your exhaust is a little bit louder. Nice looking truck, right? Until we see the price. And you'll see why this is everybody's dream truck. $94,902. Not too much more than that tungsten truck over there. But it is still, this is 1 and 2 most expensive vehicles on the lot. Thank you for watching today's video on the Arizona Online Car Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Have a safe and fun 4th of July week. Stay blessed, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.